Now to here in Washington, where it seems like today is the day the reality of a staggering death toll hit hard at the White House. And we learned today for the first time why the president extended the social distancing to April 30th. There is new modeling that shows up to 2 million could die if the measures are not enacted. Weija Jiang is at the White House tonight with all these new details. Weija?
Nora, tonight health officials say even if people do their part, between 100,000 and 240,000 Americans could die from the coronavirus. And in the next 2 weeks, the number of cases and fatalities is going to spike and continue to rise. They are asking Americans not to be discouraged by these numbers, and they insist the mitigation efforts will make a difference if people follow the guidelines.
Tonight, President Trump and top health officials are urging Americans to stay away from each other.
But this is going to be a very painful, very painful 2 weeks.
The president said yesterday he might announce new, tougher guidelines aimed at flattening the curve of coronavirus cases, which has not leveled off like it has in other hard-hit countries. Instead, the current guidelines will be extended until April 30th.
Our hope is to get that down as far as we possibly can. The modeling that Dr. Birx showed predicts that number that you saw. We don't accept that number that's what's going to be. We're going to be doing everything we can to get it even significantly below that.
Dr. Deborah Birx used data to explain why the measures are so critical.
You have to predict on the data you have.
As for treating the virus, governors are complaining that the Trump administration is forcing them to fight over scarce supplies like ventilators.
Why would you create a situation where the 50 states are competing with each other and then the federal government through FEMA comes in and competes with the rest of it?
And Weija joins us again from the White House. So Weija, there's an urgent need for those ventilators. We keep hearing about it. What do you know about the supply?
Well, tonight, Dr. Birx said that everyone who has needed one has been able to get one. And President Trump says that the government has 10,000 ventilators on standby, ready to go, but they're not shipping them out yet because they are expecting a surge and need to be prepared. Nora?
Weija, thank you.